3 unspoken reasons why you are still single, and this is the topic of the video today. So the reason number 1, your vibe, your level of frequency, and the way you see the world internally. So if you are someone who always speak negatively about things around you and complains a lot about why I can't meet the right person, where are the good guys are taken, and you keep reaffirming and confirming this narrative by also seeking people who are like you that confirm the narrative you have about meeting somebody. This will prevent you from meeting the right person, the guy you want to meet. In fact, this is gonna actually make the things upside down. It will take you to the opposite direction. You are going to keep meeting bad guys because you have this narrative about them. So until you clear your negative or toxic internal thoughts and start to see life from more than one dimension, the dimension you created about man in a negative way should change to a new dimension. And when I say dimension, frequency. So once you start to raise your frequency level, bring more positive energy and more optimistic and more hopeful about things around you, you are going to start to attract people who are like you, and you're going to start to get closer to the guy you want to meet. And the second reason is you are the reason why you are single. Yes, you heard me. You are the one who are responsible for this. So if you are someone who always think that I need to wait and do nothing about meeting somebody, then this is why you can't meet people, and this is why you are single. And especially for you as a woman, you were always believed in the old narrative that says the woman must do nothing and then the man should come and approach and talk and choose the woman. And this narrative has been confirmed through stories and the movies we watch, even the music we listen, all confirms about we have to go as man and approach women, and we are the women who have to be receptive and wait until somebody come and approach us. This has to change. You need to start to become more initiative, more proactive. So I encourage you, if you are a woman, to go and start to actually talk to people, engage with people in different conversations, take initiative steps to become more communicative, to be more open-minded, to smile more, to be more inviting rather than just sit and wait. And a lot of people usually they complain why I cannot meet the right guy, and they don't actually give time for it. They don't work on trying to develop or create different scenarios or change certain things about themselves and give time to this part in their lives. So I invite you and encourage you to be more initiative, more proactive. Go out and try to engage with different people and be the one who open the conversation, be the one who asks questions. Try to learn how to engage with people. This will help you to actually get closer to the person you want to meet. And it's always better to choose rather than to be chosen, in my opinion. And the third reasons why you are still single is by choice. So some people choose to be single, and there's nothing wrong with that. But there's two sides of it. So if you are consciously choosing to be single, that's okay. But at the same time, you might be the person who actually like to go on a dates, and you like to meet people for a short time, and dating. So you are not really seeking to be in a relationship at the moment, but at the same time you call yourself single by choice. But there's nothing wrong with that. But the other side of, single by choice, which actually I think it is very damaging for you, is that you decide to be single by choice because of your past experiences. The experiences you had with man caused you to close the door, to distract yourself by running away from that part because it's so painful, and you want to distract yourself by working and engaging in other things. So you decide to be obsessed about work or about certain project and ignore that part, and you tell the people that, oh, I am single because I'm so busy and have a lot of work to do. But deep inside, you are doing that because you have some form of fear from being rejected, or from getting your heart broken, or from any old beliefs that came from your past experiences. So if you are single by choice, but with the reason of you don't want to be hurt, you don't want to be rejected, you need to work on that, and you need to be courageous enough to go and step out of your comfort zone and work on these beliefs that came from your past and stopping you from enjoying the moment, and stop distracting yourself by saying, I'm going to work, I'm busy, I have no time to find the person. This is not a healthy excuse. And take action and follow the steps I just mentioned before. Be proactive, be initiative, give time to this area, learn more about communication. If you feel you have issues with starting a conversation or learning certain skills, start to learn this. So become more open to the world around you and more positive as well, and change your reality, and this will help you to stop being single. Thanks for watching, and if you have any question, make sure you leave it below the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.